Wow. You see the freaking rain on the damn freaking lights in the building. Just cascading off of it. And I don't know how it's going to look whenever I put it on my TV or not. But it's kind of impressive right now. And I got no zoom on it, so I'm basically zoomless on it. You can actually see all the stuff right in this area right here. Right over here. See the flashes of lightning lighting up the bit rate on my camera. And that's kind of escalated. I was basically right in this area right over here. And the guy was freaking just watching and everything. And I was going to go over here and take a picture of this deal over here. This Lowe's thing right over here. There's a couple other things I was going to take a picture of. And he just basically ran like hell just to get away from me. I thought maybe I smelt or something. I don't know. So anyway, I'm like, what the hell? He said, no, I'm getting the hell out of here. It's going to rain pretty bad. And I guess it started out and it just let out. And I'm just like watching it here. So I figure I just might as well just bring my camera out and actually just shoot some of it. Like, that looks cool. Looks like a little light show, very light show, if you will. You can just see the individual showers of rain right here. It's kind of cool. Now I'll just go ahead and sign off for now.